I want to look at a couple numbers that are written in expanded form and then rewrite them in standard form. So what I have here is 4 times 10 to the 7th plus 2 times 10 to the 6th plus 1 times 10 cubed plus 8 times 10 squared plus 4 times 10 plus 6 times 1. So as I write this number, I have 4, and I know I need 7 zeros after that, but I'm adding it to a 2 with 6 zeros. So this is my 10 to the 7th spot. This is my 10 to the 6th spot. And then whoever wrote this out in expanded form didn't tell me what was in the 10 to the 5th or the 10 to the 4th spots, so those must have been zeros. Okay, for that number to be correct, if it's missing the 10 to the 5th and the 10 to the 4th spots, there must be zeros there. Okay, now I have 1 times 10 cubed. So my 10 cubed spot has a 1. My 10 squared spot has an 8. My 10 spot has a 4. And my 10 to the 0th, or 1 spot, has a 1 in it. Now I wrote that number kind of stretched out because I've got the place values underneath it. Let me put in some commas here. And this looks like 42,001,841. So that number up there is 42,001,841. Here's another one. I want to write 5 times 10 to the negative 1st plus 9 times 10 to the negative 2nd plus 1 times 10 to the negative 5th in standard form. So I can start with my 5, and this is in the 10 to the negative 1st spot, but that's not quite right. In fact, I need a decimal point before my 5, and whenever I write decimal numbers, I put the 0 in front of the decimal point if there's no number there, just to make it clear it's a decimal. In case I draw my decimal too small or someone misses it or smudges it. But all right, so 10 to the negative 1st, I've got a 5 there. So my 10 to the negative 2nd spot, I have a 9. And then again, I'm missing some spots. I'm missing a 10 to the negative 3rd, a 10 to the negative 4th, so those must be zeros. And then here in the 10 to the negative 5th spot, I have a 1. So let me rewrite that a little bit. So 0.59001. So that's 59,001 100 thousandths. And there's my number written in standard form.